We asked our sponsors and checked out the major players to bring you a sampling of Black Friday drone deals and tell you about an awesome giveaway. Black Friday offers discounts on drones for commercial operators, hobbyists, and content creators. It's a great day to upgrade your fleet and take advantage of discounts, accessories, and extra gifts. In alphabetical order. Autel is offering a 35% discount on Black Friday on Lite Plus or Nano Plus drones, and free shipping for orders over $59. They're also offering free Autel robotics care for the top 30 orders of Lite Plus or Nano Plus aircraft. Check out the details at the Autel site here. DJI is offering Black Friday drone deals, from 10% to 30% off from November 18 to 28, 2022. Here's a sampling. Save 15% on the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo, priced at $509 reduced from $599, or get the DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo, with 4K/120 FPS video, a 155 degrees super wide FOV, and an ultra-versatile form factor, on sale for $359 from $519. While supplies last, DJI is offering free bags or t-shirts with certain purchases. See all of the DJI Black Friday deals here. Authorized DJI drone reseller DroneNerds is running a variety of sales, including a great deal on the DJI FPV Drone Combo. Save $100 on the DJI FPV Drone Combo, from $999 to $899. Or, save $100 on the DJI FPV Drone Combo with motion controller, from $1,198 to $1,098. While supplies last, DroneNerds will be offering a free landing pad with any drone purchase. This will automatically pop up for users when they add a drone to their cart. Check out all of the DroneNerds deals here. Image provided by Grimsy. Grimsy is having their biggest sale of the year on professional gimbals. Score $572 off the Gremsy T7, the next level of heavy lifting gimbal for industrial applications. With a large camera cage and ability to carry up to 7 pounds, the T7 expands the range of compatible cameras and is capable of loading multiple specialized sensors at once. Gremsy is also offering $462 off the Zion Arm, a universal 3-axis dampening system which removes vibrations from vertical motion as well as tilt and roll errors. It is made especially for gimbals such as Ronin 2, Movi Pro, or any camera payloads from 5 kg up to 32 kg and can be mounted on vehicles or any moving platforms. See all of Grimsy's Black Friday deals here. Skidio is having a variety of sales for the holiday season. Save $200 on the Skidio 2 Plus Pro Kit as the price goes from $2,169 to $1,969, or get $200 the usual price of the Skidio 2 Plus Starter Kit, Skidio 2 Plus Sports Kit, or Skidio 2 Plus Cinema Kit. Check out the Skidio website for all of the details. Finally, while you're checking out Black Friday drone deals, be sure to hit the Teledyne FLIR site to enter the Teledyne FLIR Cirrus giveaway. Cirrus, the new affordable, easy-to-fly, IP54 rated professional drone with an interchangeable thermal and visible camera payload is designed to operate in rugged environments for industrial and utility inspection, firefighting, law enforcement, and search and rescue missions. Contest ends December 31, 2022. See all of the Cirrus giveaway details here.